Welcome to 2 Minutes Learning, an educational channel for learning concepts in just 2 minutes in most easiest way. What is balance sheet? A balance sheet is a financial statement that gives a snapshot of a company's financial position at a specific point in time. It shows what the company owns, what it owes, and the value belonging to the shareholders. The balance sheet is divided into three main sections: assets, liabilities, and equity. Let's break it down. First, assets. Assets are things the company owns that have value. They are divided into current assets and fixed assets. Current assets are things that can be quickly converted to cash, like cash itself, inventory, and accounts receivable. Fixed assets are long-term items like buildings, machinery, and equipment. Next, liabilities. Liabilities are what the company owes to others. They are also divided into two categories: current liabilities and long-term liabilities. Current liabilities are short-term obligations like accounts payable and short-term loans due within a year. Long-term liabilities are debts that take longer to pay off, like mortgages and bonds. Finally, equity. Equity represents the owner's share of the company after all liabilities have been deducted. It includes investments made by the owners and retained earnings. The balance sheet follows basic formula, where total of all assets equals liabilities plus equity. Let's take an example of smartphone producer. Here's a simplified balance sheet. FY23 total assets $352.5 million equal total liabilities of $290.4 million plus total equity $62.1 million. So this ensures that everything the company owns is financed either by borrowing money or by using the shareholders' investments. Thanks for watching our channel, 2 Minutes Learning. To learn more of such interesting concepts, subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. Press the bell icon to get the alerts for new concepts.